Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this video is going to be about writing text and aligning it at the same time. Let's make it a little bit bigger. And let's start typing. And then take both of these and go CE. That's going to put it in the center. Grab your text and make it center justified. And then grab your text tool again and fonts in a box. And as long as you keep typing, it's going to center it in your box as you're typing so you can kind of see what size font you could get in there. Not that big a deal, but it's a pretty cool little trick. Hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.